Welcome to Guide Hub. Today I'm going to guide you on how to log into Zalando account. Zalando is an online platform for fashion and lifestyle. Now, to log into your Zalando account, you can either go for the official website of Zalando or you can also use Zalando website. For this video, we will go for the website. Now, open your preferred browser. Here I am opening Google Chrome. Now at the search bar, you can simply search www.zalando.com. You will be now led to the official homepage of Zalando. At the top right corner, you can see the profile icon. Simply tap over there. Now enter your email at the email address box. After you are done entering your email, simply tap on continue. Now write down the password that you have set up earlier for your Zalando account. After you are done providing your credential, you can simply tap on sign in. But in case if you have forgotten your password, you can simply tap on forgotten your password option and they will be guiding you further to get your account back. Now here, after providing your credential, you can simply tap on sign in and you will be successfully logged into your Zalando account. Now you can simply tap on continue shopping and start your shopping at Zalando. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Guide Hub. Thank you.